Over the past few weeks, I've gotten several DMs and comments on my YouTube channel regarding sourcing. A lot of you guys feel like you are new to the Amazon FBA space and you just need some direction when it comes to sourcing and finding profitable products. In this video, I'm going to go into detail of how I use the Keepa software to start as my foundation to find products. From that point, I usually branch off into storefront stalking, which I'll make a separate video for that. But let's go ahead and deep dive into Keepa. If you guys haven't done so already, please go ahead and click the subscribe button, support the channel, and feel free to shoot me a follow on Instagram and DM me any questions you have from this point forward. Let's get into the video. Alright, so we have the Keepa software pulled up. If you guys don't know what Keepa is, I do advise you to go look at some previous videos of mine, just kind of deep dive into Keepa, and I will be making some more videos going forward in the future. But here we have the Keepa tab pulled up, and this is basically a software that will pull any amount of data, filtered or unfiltered, that I would like when it comes to the Amazon FBA space, right? So for the sake of this video, let's see if we can find a profitable product, and I'll kind of give you guys my parameters of what I do, right? So first and foremost, I'll start here in this root category, and let's just say for the sake of this video, I want to try something different. Let's try office products. Now, I don't know the exact sales rank parameters for office products, but let's just see if we can find something that's at a sales rank of 80,000, right? So the max sales rank we want is 80,000, and we want the lowest used price we would like. Let's say we can, let's see if we can do 60. 60 bucks is the lowest, and then what I do is if I can get this from the lowest, I mean, at the lowest used selling price, actually let me change that. What I do is go to used like new. I've seen different results from that. So let's say the used like new is currently selling for a minimum of $60. What I would then do is see if we can find this maximum on eBay for $40. You can see we only have 40 products, which is fine. So I'll go here, press find products, and here we have it. We have 40 products spitting out that tells me 40 products fit the parameters that we're looking for. So if I go ahead and just kind of breeze through this, I can see this one right here, which is a Texas instrument. Let's take a look at this one. Texas Inspire. Let's see if we can find that. Right. So right now I see that this Texas Instruments TI Inspire C graphic calculator. Let's take a look. It looks like this thing has a pretty steady decline when it comes to used offers. Wow. So it's been selling a little bit. Let's look at this last month. It started off at 98, 97. So it's sold at quite a few. Let's look at this data tab. I'll go to offers. Okay. Wow. Over the last 30 days, this thing has sold 1,100 times? Are you serious? Just now. Okay. You know, all these, let's look at Prime. Wow. And they're selling this for $69. Okay. And if we were to sell this for $69, we'd be buying this for 37 bucks. Let's see something. 37 bucks. So, used, US only. Let's see, the maximum we can get is, let's say, 40. Wow, and here we have it. 5 bids, 4 days left. 1 day left, 0 bids. And guys, this is basically how you find a profitable product that fast. Actually, let's take. I want to deep dive into this one a little bit more. So what I'm looking at it and what I've seen, I'm seeing that this thing pretty much sells. And what is the main category here? I'm missing the category. What's the sales ranks? There we go. So it's been varying office products, but over the last let's say the last 3 months, it's peaked at around 70,000 sales rank, which is still good. Letting me know this thing is going to sell. Seller amp, let me see, their estimated sales is 67 a month, 94 a month. But what I'm looking at is that data. It's telling me that they sold more than that in the last month, though. God, you serious? So I would definitely test buy this. Let's TI Inspire CX. Yeah, that's it. Here's one right here for 28 bucks plus 1040 shipping. So I could try to get this video, try to get this one right here. I don't know if I'll get it, but that'll be with 38.40, and if I got that for 38.40, I'm right on the money a little bit. I'm making $11 profit on that one. Let's keep going to see if we can find more though. I like that one. 27 bucks with 4 days left, which is perfect. I want to keep going down though. Let me take this parameter, this 40 buck thing though. I want to see what all pops up. 266 listings. 69 bucks. 49 bucks. $49.99. So I might be able to offer. What's my max price? 37. Let's cut it close. Okay, I like this one though. Let's keep going, man, for the sake of this video. I'll go to the next one. Let's take a look. Let's go. I like this right here. This brother. Brother P-Touch PD210. And this thing, 9,000, 11,000 in sales rank. Let's see how many it's been selling. Has it sold used? 6 used in the last month at 60 bucks, which is not bad. 60 bucks. So if I was to sell this thing for 60 bucks, my max cost is going to be $33.88. So can we? Yes, we can find something that's better than $33.88. Perfect. Look at this. And just like that, guys, that's how we find a profitable product. And the thing is, what I've also realized, man, is like don't overthink it, right? I think the biggest thing is don't overthink it, right? When I look at this product, right, this is what I'm gonna tell you what I see, right? So first, let's just check the variations. PD210. Which one has the most reviews? 28,000 reviews for this one, PD210, right? So the one that I'm looking at, this thing has 26,000 reviews. 28,000 reviews. I know this is a sale. 28,000 reviews. Seller amp is estimating 584 sales a month. I don't think it's going to sell that many. I mean, but it's peaking out at 12,000 in sales rank. So what I do is, what I see is this is an opportunity for me to capitalize, right? I see new offer count for new sellers. I'm sorry, it's fluctuating, letting me know that this thing is selling. I don't see a lot of used offers, but when I do see a used offer, one right there for 45, gone. One right there for 39.99, gone, right? So what I'm looking at is, okay, what can I potentially sell this thing for when it comes to used? So I'm gonna go here into product details. I'm gonna take a look at this and say, okay, used like new over the last 90 days is that's very low, $39.99, right? We got used like new, which is at $57.55, currently at $60. My thought is, can I get a sale between that 55 and 60 mark? If I can, even on the conservative side, 55 bucks. I'm at 30 bucks buy cost. That new buy, let me see, that new buy box right now is $57.94. So maybe $49.99, $26.54, and now we're cutting it. But still, take a look at this one, right? I know I might be able to get that. It's 2 bids at 13 bucks plus shipping. Here's another one. So the thing is $34.99 plus shipping. The thing is, if I can make this work for, I think $55 is reasonable. 49.99 probably is the best. 26.54. That's cutting it a little tight. No charger on this one. This one makes sense though. This one makes a lot of sense to me. If I can get this, it's 7 hours left, right? So I think I might be able to snipe this probably. But if I can snipe this for 22 bucks, right? Now, let's say 23 bucks. You know, I spend 23 bucks, I'm making 13 bucks profit, 58% return on investment. And just like that, that's how you find a profitable product, right? So now the goal here now from this point is going to be to build my catalog. So just like that, in the sake of, you know, 10, maybe 12 minutes, we went through 2 or 3 products, found one that's profitable, and that's what you have to do, right? Now from this point, the second part of my sourcing strategy is to then realize all of the sellers that I frequently see, right? So as I go through these products, as I build my catalog, I'm starting to see the same repetitive competitors in the Amazon FBA space. So now I know, hey, if I found this product and I'm selling it, and you found this product and you're selling it, 9 times out of 10, you can find other profitable products. So now what I'm gonna do is save your storefront and kind of just stalk your storefront day in and day out, see what you're adding to your storefront, and then add it to my storefront, right? And that's how I build my catalog. But I think the biggest thing you guys have to understand is we can't bypass the part where we put our time in. We have to put our time in. We have to get our reps in. We have to buy. We have to try. We have to fail. We have to learn. In order to do so, we have to take initiative and do things, right? So that's how I go about sourcing my products. Take a look at it. You know, try it out. If you guys have any questions or concerns, or if you come into a halt when it comes to the Keepa software, shoot me a comment, or, you know, more frequently, man, just shoot me a follow on Instagram. Shoot me a DM. I'd love to help and see if I can help out, or, you know, help simplify the process for you. But this is exactly what I do day in and day out, guys. Thanks for tuning in, and stay tuned for more videos.